welcome to this meal planning vlog. I'm so excited to share with you. It's time for us to get our meal planning gears going in that direction and to actually think about it. So we actually meal plan every 2 weeks. We've done every 2 weeks for years and it just works for us. So shopping, grocery shopping and doing that coincides with our paydays, so we're able to do our budget and then know how much we have to spend on groceries. So it just is a system that we've perfected over the years. It just keeps getting easier. It's very easy for us now. It wasn't always in the beginning. In fact, I've got a brand new blog post, you guys. My first blog post in the history of ever is up on our new website and on our blog. So go check it out. I will link that down below. It's actually meal planning in 7 simple steps. So if you're like me and you love checklists and you love, you know, step 1, do this, step 2, do this, step 3, do that, then you will love that blog post. And also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, because I've been working really hard. My family has gotten involved with it, and it's just, this website has become something that we really, really love. So, and we're excited about how it's gonna serve everybody. And part of that, I think with vlogging for so many years, is that the meals always continuously get brought up. How do you meal plan? How do you stick to a budget? How do you do all this stuff? And it's just really planning, guys. It just comes down to planning. We've lived like during holidays or stressful times without a meal plan, and it is so much worse than just sitting down and doing the meal plan. So I'm going to show you what we use to meal plan. We have a meal planning printable available. It's on our website as well as in our Etsy shop, and it's just, we just created it on how our brains have worked, how we've used this system for years, and we really, really love it. So what we'll do is Josh takes 1 week and I take 1 week. We grocery shop for 2 weeks, remember? And so he'll do one and I do one, which is great because that means one person isn't stuck cooking for the next 2 weeks. And so he has his already filled out. I waited to do mine so I can show you guys how I do it. And then we have this handy dandy grocery list. It just comes in a pack, a meal planning pack. And so it's actually, we do Costco and we do Winco, and then it's by aisle in the store. So you're not like, we used to just write down our grocery list just in one giant mess and then try and find the line item. You guys know, you're laughing because you know. Try and find that line item and then cross it off while you're trying to shop for other, it's just bananas. This system allows us to quickly write down what our meals are for the next 2 weeks so we know, and to be like on the same page. So then we take it, we put it on a clipboard and attach it to a clipboard. We carry this clipboard with us to the store with a pin on it. We can easily go through the things, cross them off as we get to the specific store with that specific aisle, like the meat aisle. We know what we need to purchase, or dairy, and then we are in and out so fast, you guys. We sit down and meal plan. And again, in detail is on the blog, but we sit down and meal plan for about an hour every 2 weeks. And then we grocery shop because we kind of live far away from the stores. So we grocery shop for 3 hours every 2 weeks. We turn it into a date night. And then we've started prepping, cooking. We've done that a little bit, but we've really become serious about it lately. And we will prep some dinners to put in the freezer, and that is about another 3 hours. So 7 hours total every 2 weeks, including grocery shopping and meal prep and meal prep and food prep and all of that. So I want to show you something I love. We are not getting paid, you guys, in any way, but the family freezer. Kelly runs the family freezer with her husband, and I just love her. We've been trying their dinners. We can't link a lot of them because they are free. We paid $9.99 for this paleo 16 dinner book, and I just love it, you guys. It's been amazing for us. You can just go through and pick like the meal that you want, like Thai chicken. We keep it in a binder. And then to our grocery list, I get to go through and I'll show you guys what it's like, what meals I pick. And I'll show it to you on my dinner planner, and then I'll fill out the grocery list of the items that we don't have that I need. And it's just such a fun, simple way to get ideas. All of her dinners have been amazing. We've really loved them. Another idea for getting dinners is Pinterest. Is to go to Pinterest and look at freezer dinners that way. There's tons of inspiration. Guys, we link our own Pinterest board down below for the healthy way that we eat, and you guys can go through there. We know that all diets and all food budgets are going to be different, and so not probably one is going to be identical to how we eat. But the shopping method could be the same, and the planning method can be the same. Plan for your dinners. I know I've learned so much from you over the years, and you have so much wisdom to share. So go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you loved it. And don't forget, we are now bloggers. So you can go check out that blog post in the description box down below, see our step-by-step process, and just thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.